Here are the items that you will need to make clay earrings using a silk screen: a pasta machine or clay roller, a clay silk screen, polymer clay, acrylic paint, and a squeegee or plastic card to spread the paint, and a medium-sized bowl of water or a nearby sink to rinse off the silk screen. This is the silk screen that I will be using. I got this one on Amazon in a 4-pack. I will also be using Liquitex acrylic paint. You can also use acrylic paint from Walmart or Michaels, preferably one that is not too thin. Lay your clay flat and evenly. I used a pasta roller. The paper keeps it smooth and gives a matte finish, but this is not required. Now you can place your silk screen on the clay. Smooth it on with medium pressure. Make sure that it can't easily slide off. I will be using this plastic tool that came with one of my silk screens to spread the paint. Spread a small amount of paint at the top of the silk screen. You can always add more if needed, but this is a good amount. Spread the paint with light to medium pressure in every direction. You want to cover the entire clay piece, but try not to take too much time doing this. You don't want the paint to get permanently stuck to the silk screen. So just keep spreading out until it looks pretty even and the whole clay piece is covered. Slowly peel the silk screen from the clay and then immediately rinse it off, either in a sink or in a bowl. Let the clay dry for about 5 to 10 minutes and then begin cutting out your pieces. Once cut out, you can bake and assemble as normal. It is not necessary to seal the earrings once baked, but it could help them to last longer. I only add a seal if I'm looking for a glossy finish. And here are my finished earrings. They are Paris themed for Valentine's Day. I think they came out really cute. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions at all, please ask in the comments and I'll be happy to help you.